dear crafty friends, welcome to TobiLotta.
Toby, can I please get a crafty surprise bag?
Lotta, the crafty bags are quite expensive. But I have an idea. Let's save some money together in a piggy bank.
But we don't have a piggy bank.
Well, that's no problem at all. We'll just make our own piggy bank. We just need a few materials from our crafty drawer. Crafty drawer! Wow! Here's what you'll need for crafting. Glue, marker, felt, fabric or colored paper, paint and brush, string or yarn, a plastic bottle, 4 bottle caps, scissors, white paper, clear tape. Let's go! First, cut out the middle part of the bottle. An adult should do this step. It's easier if you slightly squeeze the bottle. Insert the 2 bottle parts into each other and secure them with tape. Like so. Now you can paint your piggy bank bottle in your favorite colors. I choose pinkish red. While the paint dries, take a piece of yarn or string, paint it pink and allow it to dry. Next, glue the 4 bottle caps on as a fit and attach the pink yarn on the bottle as a curly tail. Next, cut out 2 equal parts of felt for the ears and stick them onto the bottle, like this. Grab some white paper and draw 2 big eyes, like this. Cut them out and glue them to the front of the bottle. Ask an adult to cut a coin slot on the top of the bottle. Now you can add some details, like a mouth, and if you like, use a pink marker to add 2 cute rosy cheeks and a tiny tongue. And there you have it, your own adorable piggy bank. Cute! Make your own piggy bank from a bottle.
Oh no! Now I have to save so much money.
That's right, Lotta. And once you've saved enough, we can get you your very own crafty surprise bag.
Oh, I'm looking forward to it.
Oh, I'm sad that our craft time has come to an end for today. But we hope you'll join us again next time at TobiLotta. Bye!